Hello, welcome back to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to download a marketing report on eBay. You can download it an Excel sheet. So there are various reports that you can add. A keyword report, search query, same like in Amazon, that's only available to brand owners. But on eBay, you can download it. And you can download advanced PPC or the standard type. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's jump back into the screen. So once you have logged in, you have to go to the reports and click on download. From here, click on download report, and you have to select the source first of all. So I'm going to select marketing, that's the source, and the campaign type. Here you will get two options. The first is promoted listings standard and the advanced option. So in this case, I want the advanced option. I'm going to select that. And here the type of report that you need. So is that a keyword or listing report or campaign level report or a search query? In this example, I'm going to have the search query because I need to know how many impressions, click-through rate, all those kind of details I want to know. So I'm just going to select search query, and you can see the summary of the columns. So these are the details that will be included in the report. Okay, you can add additional details as well. So you can refine the report. So the campaigns at the moment, by default, it will select 10 campaigns. Okay, the latest 10 campaigns. But you can, if you want any specific campaigns, you can select that. So I'm going to select this option, energy monitor. I'm going to select only one campaign, so it will keep it nice and simple. And the time unit as well. So is that a summary or a daily? I want a daily. And the range as well. You only have an option to select week, not month at the moment. So I'm going to select last week. And that's it. Click on download. Normally it will take a few seconds. So let's give it a few seconds and see. I'm going to refresh and see. Yeah, it's ready. Search query. So marketing search query. It will have the reference ID as well. So I just need to download it. And I will show you how it looks like. See, all these details you can see, and if you scroll right, it will show you the impressions, the click-through rate, sold quantity, all those details here. So this campaign doesn't have anything that much, but this is how you do it. You can see the keywords are exact, and the date and all those stuff. You can see it from this report. And you can adjust optimize the campaign based on this report. Let me know if you have any questions or doubts. Thanks a lot for watching.